Hey YouTube, back with a quick short video. Someone asked me on my last video about the remote start, so I figured I'd throw that in here. You can see temperatures are starting to get cold, so if you go into your little car icon up here, you're going to want to go down to more settings. So once you're in the settings, you want to go to the vehicle option. Here you'll see there is a remote start setup, and in here you can set climate control, heat and steering, and the duration. So this is for the remote start when you're using the phone. You can see here, you can see either set it to auto or whatever your last climate setting was when you got out of the car last. Same with steering and seat. So typically when it gets, I want to say below 40, the seat and steering wheel warmer kick on automatically during the remote start. So just thought I'd share that. The other option you have is in here when you're in the charge section. There's also the departure and comfort. So if you want to set a schedule, I don't typically leave the house on a schedule, so I don't have this set. But you can set your Monday through Friday. Say you leave for work every day at the same time, you leave work around the same time, or whatever you do on the weekends. You could set that as well as the climate. All right, thanks. Bye.